Are you looking for a refreshing, nutritious drink to beat the summer heat? This traditional Mango Lassi is exactly what you need. It is super easy to make and packed with vitamins and probiotics. Let me show you how to whip up this delicious and popular Indian drink. To make this Mango Lassi, take 2 large ripe mangoes. Look for mangoes that are fragrant, slightly soft to the touch, and have a deep golden color, and give them a quick wash before peeling. After washing, peel the mangoes. You can use a knife, but I like using a potato peeler. It makes the peeling easier, faster, and safer, especially around those tricky curves, and you do not waste any of the juicy mango goodness. Next, cut off the small end where the mango was attached to the vine. Because mangoes have a large pit in the center, then slice off the 2 larger cheeks from the sides of the pit. Then, cut the remaining flesh off the thinner sides. Once you have these pieces, lay them flat on the cutting board and slice the mango flesh into small cubes. Next, put all the mango cubes into a blender. Next, add 1 cup of fresh, unflavored yogurt or curd to the blender. Using full-fat yogurt will give a creamier texture, but you can use low-fat or even Greek yogurt if you prefer. Then, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, along with a few strands of saffron and a few ice cubes. Next, blend the mixture on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until it is completely smooth and creamy. Then, pour the Mango Lassi into a glass and garnish it with small pieces of fresh mango and a few chopped pistachios. Serve it straight away when it's cool and refreshing. If you like this delicious and refreshing Mango Lassi recipe, be sure to check out this viral avocado smoothie recipe here that is super creamy, incredibly nutritious, and absolutely yummy. Check it out now!